I wish I had Macho Man Randy Savage.
Or just like they've been exposed to just a video of Macho Man Randy Savage just going, "Oh yeah! Snap into a Slim Jim!
Oh yeah!
Time to get the pain train!" Gonna get myself a bucket of endless chicken and go to town.
Ah, whatever. What those Slim Jims? do they themselves turn into Randy Savage? Do they?
You eat enough.
Oh yeah!
These guys wear very colourful clothing and like wrestling gear and just like sunglasses, like going, "Oh yeah!"
Except it's like a squeak. So it's just.
That's right. I killed blank. How you ask? Blank. Shoot. Stupid kill.
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! John Cena, get out of here!
That's right. I killed American gladiators. How you ask? Suicidal thoughts. That's right. I killed a lamb party. How you ask? Pow thighs. just like some athlete woman comes and bursts through the door. There's like 5 nerds playing a land pie, and she's like, "Ah!" She just like, power drives him with her thighs, and they're like, "Oh god!" That's right. I killed a man who's so cool that he rides on a motorcycle. How you ask? Crying and shitting and eating spaghetti.
Well, like you just cried and shitting and eating spaghetti on the middle of the road, and it just like
whoa!
turns kind of motorcycle. Whoa!
Oh god, James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers the door in his leg, he meets a magical new friend.
Wait, did the last car that won was a really cool guy on a motorcycle?
Yeah.
You should have kept that one because you definitely would have won that one.
I would have won this one if I could play, because I have.
Oh yeah. Well, if I was cards art and I had this card.
James, what do you like the most, James? If you were to find something in your attic, what would it be?
A lot of vagina.
Vagina.
He's probably got a blank card which you can type this on.
No, I don't.
No, it's.
Oh my god, no! That is a movie. That is a movie right there.
James didn't answer. Oh my god! Yes!
That is a movie.
Make that into a movie.
James, get to the chopper now.
James, I'm in your attic.
Feed me cookies.
It's so magical.
Can you leave my attic now? No!
Don't touch the cookie.
I'm not going to leave this attic.
I'm
the governor of California.
got to govern things. James wins again.
I win. I feel bad for winning, but I win.
I did have a blank card, but no.
Wins again.
Wow.
I feel bad that I win every
Oh god, I'm gonna type something really inappropriate.
What were you going to type appropriate?
I don't think I want to say it on camera.
Sod it, just say it. It's
Oh,
gonna.
like you were going to say that word, the word that you banned me from saying in your house, weren't you?
Something along those lines, yeah.
Okay.
But
So you should have read it first.
oh my god, yes.
What? I know, it was,
Wow, yes!
I think it's something from a costume. No. Oh shit.
Finch, you're gonna have to make a tough choice here. In Michael Jackson's final moments, he thought about the 9,000 children who starved to death today. Oh no, not these poor children. Blowjobs for everyone. And African children, which kind of is another way of saying 9,000 children who starved to death today.
I had to do that one.
Damn it. Damn it, fucking cards. I love the fact it's just and I'm the card toss, so I get to decide.
So, what do I discover in my attic? What magical new friend do I meet in my attic?
Oh, I've got to do this.
Does anybody with type ones?
I am so hoping mine comes up first.
James is a lonely boy, but when he
No.
discovers a secret door in his attic, he needs a magical new friend, Gandhi. Hello, James!
Let me tell you about how I destroyed the English power!
Oh, wow.
Oh wow, yeah.
James is a lonely boy, but when he discovers a secret door in his attic, he meets a magical new friend, the grumpy old Harrison Ford who'd rather be doing anything else.
Now that sounds like a movie.
Where am I? What is going on? James is a lonely
Chewie, is that you?
Chewie, what?
James is a
What are
lonely
you
boy.
doing in my house?
Crystal meth.
Crystal meth. He discovers a magical new friend, crystal meth. Well, I guess
I found my dad's stash.
with James, he can go on any adventure he wants. I'm gonna
Oh, I waited Harrison Ford, why?
Freaking James.
I like this thing.
James, I need to cook.
Do the do with our most. I'm not the front.
Well, most extreme flavor yet. Get ready for Mountain Dew blank.
From the people that I actually know who drink Mountain Dew, this kind of works.
You know, Mountain Dew did a thing for. Oh my god! Get ready for Mountain Dew Hurricane Katrina.
It's like a hurricane in your mouth.
That's just bad marketing.
That thing that shoots your ass.
Oh, that yeah.
Get ready for that thing that electrocutes. Anyway, get ready for Mountain Dew being a terrible mother.
Really? Get back in the house.
You know, Mountain Dew actually did do it. You know how we got Boaty McBoatface?
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mountain Dew did a, name our new flavor, and they got things like Hitler wasn't so bad.
I actually remember that. I actually helped in that. There was another one, wasn't there?
Yeah, I forget what the other one was.
Oh fuck! What was the other one?
Google it.
No, that's fine. Let's keep going. Let's just keep going.
Okay. Hurricane Katrina, because it's a storm for your mouth.
It's a storm for your
Storm
mouth.
for your taste buds.
I'm sorry.
You don't know though.
99
No, it's points. It's dirty points.
I got 99 problems, but blank ain't one. I got 99 problems, but the bitch ain't one. Hit me! Ow! That hurts my feelings.
Stop it. Stop it.
I got 99 problems, but jerking off to a 10-second real media clip ain't one. Hit me! I got 99 problems, but spectacular abs ain't one. Oh, that's kind of true. Oh, something else. I just flooded the mood. I got 99 problems, but a whole new kind of porn ain't one. You're basically saying I don't watch anything else other than just one kind of porn.
They're all sexual, aren't they?
Well, no one uses real media anymore. We have Pornhub now.
Yep.
That ain't one anymore.
Real media.
Real media.
Doesn't even exist anymore now.
It does exist if you go to very old stuff.
Damn.
If you know where you're looking.
This is way out of context.
Mine isn't.
Oh my god. Don't worry, kid. It gets better. I've been living with a micro penis for 20 years. Don't worry, kid. It gets better. I've been living with chunks of dead prostitute for 20 years. Don't worry, kid. It gets better. I've been living with not wearing pants for 20 years. So I should find this one fun.
Joe, cake is better. I've been living a very small penis for 20 years.
Oh, it's a shame cards are. Oh. What's my anti-drug? Like, if you had a personal one, it would be better. What's my anti-drug? An erection that lasts longer than 4 hours. My anti-drug. Overwatch porn.
I wonder who posted that.
It was worth it.
My heart will go on. Overwatch something.
Overwatch is
New Blizzard game.
It's a new Blizzard game. It's like Team Fortress 2, but with more ass and more women.
Oh, okay.
Cheers, love.
You just tried to describe it as a first-person shooter League of Legends, didn't you?
Yeah, it's if Team Fortress and
Which I think is not true at all, because I do not hate my teammates.
But I Overwatch porn.
Bye, 4 hours.
What?
That's funny.
Why do I always get this one? Waste your card, please.
Someone's breathing very, very hard.
Sorry.
Was he falling down the stairs or something?
As we move under the water. Oh, no.
Oh, fuck. How about Anderson 2 going in slow motion?
Yeah, but you wouldn't be shouting, what the hell, though? Oh.
What if you were playing, like, what was it, Magic the Gathering?
Yeah.
Like, what the hell? A cowboy is
Oh,
66 and you got Pamela Anderson with a boost running in slow motion?
I think they'd care more about the change than an erection.
I got a wasted boner right now.
And would you like those buffalo wings mild, hot, or blank?
I would you like those buffalo wings mild, hot, or blank? With my sexy and salty voice. And would you like those buffalo wings mild, hot, or Judge Judy, which is very hot? Those buffalo wings mild, hot, or foreskin? Those buffalo wings mild, hot, or obesity? Or it's like there's just more of it, just lots more chicken wings, like buffalo wings.
It's like a truckload.
Truckload of obesity.
I think you should pick that one.
The fact you asked me to pick that is quite worrying, so I'm going to pick it. I don't want you to win, Marcus.
Oh, alright, let's do what you want.
To be fair, I do think some that women like doing like this buffalo wing is mild, hot, or Judge Judy. Like the idea of Judge Judy is more hotter than hot.
Ugh. Whoop. No.
Mild, hot, or Judge Judy. It's just like. Everyone's like, what the fuck?
Tonight on Snick, are you afraid of? Oh, what the fuck?
Wow.
Okay, tonight on Snick, are you afraid of Nazis?
Hosted by Anne
No.
Frank.
Oh.
On Snick, are you afraid of tickling Sean Hannity even after he tells you to stop? Tonight on Snick, are you afraid of picking up girls at the abortion clinic? I don't actually know which one to pick, 'cause they don't really seem that good on this one. Seem like throwaways.
Hmm.
Are you afraid of Nazis? Hosted by Anne Frank.
I don't think we should pick up girls. No, it's fine, dude. Totally be fine. But they're like the abortion clinic.
Because you. Fuck!
Yeah. Well, you guys are really disappointed whenever I get a point.
Yeah, I want to
Yeah.
buy.
I'll